Hey everyone, and welcome to our super special Eco Lab. I'm so excited you're here today. Have you ever wondered how nature works its magic? Or how we can help our amazing planet? Well, get ready, because we're about to go on an incredible adventure with some brilliant young scientists who are changing the world one experiment at a time. These aren't just any kids. They're inventors, explorers, and nature detectives. They've turned their backyard into a laboratory of wonders, filled with buzzing bees, towering sunflowers, and spinning gadgets. Are you ready to peek inside their world and maybe even get some ideas for your own Eco Lab? Let's dive in and meet our team of green geniuses. First off, the garden. This isn't just a place with pretty flowers. It's a living laboratory. Look over here. Maya is checking on her bean plant experiment. She's trying to figure out what plants like to eat. She has 3 pots. One gets just water, another gets water and sunlight, and the third gets water, sunlight, and some special plant food she made from compost. Which one do you think will grow the tallest? It's like a race for plants. Observing how they grow teaches us what they need to be strong and healthy, just like we need good food to grow big and strong. And see this little notebook? Maya writes down everything she sees. That's what scientists do. They watch, they wonder, and they write it all down. And what's that buzzing sound? It's coming from Leo's Bee Hotel. He built this cozy little home to help our fuzzy flying friends. Bees are super important because they help plants make fruits and vegetables by moving pollen from flower to flower. It's called pollination. By giving them a safe place to rest, Leo is helping his whole garden thrive. Every apple, every strawberry, every little green bean in this garden gets a little help from these busy bees. It shows us that even the smallest creatures play a huge part in our world. You can even make a simple bee hotel for your own backyard or balcony. Every little bit helps our buzzy buddies. Now, let's move from the garden to the workshop, where our young scientists are capturing the power of nature itself. Take a look at what Chloe is building. It's a mini windmill. She used cardboard, a plastic bottle, and a small motor. When the wind blows, the blades spin, and guess what? That spinning motion generates electricity. It's not enough to power a whole house, but it can light up this tiny LED bulb. Isn't that cool? It shows how we can use the wind, which is totally free, to create clean energy. Chloe learned that the shape and size of the blades can change how fast a windmill spins. She's experimenting to see which design works best. It's all about trial and error, which is a huge part of being an inventor. And over here, Sam is working with the power of the sun. He's made a solar oven out of a cardboard box, aluminum foil, and plastic wrap. The foil reflects the sun's rays into the box, and the plastic wrap traps the heat inside. It gets hot enough to melt chocolate or even bake cookies on a really sunny day. Today, he's trying to make some delicious solar s'mores. This simple invention shows us how powerful the sun really is. We can cook with it, we can heat water with it, and we can even power our homes with it using solar panels. Sam and Chloe are proving that renewable energy from the sun and wind is not just for big power plants. It's something we can all learn about and even use in our own small way. Welcome to the most exciting part of the Eco Lab, the Invention Station. This is where creativity and science come together to solve real-world problems. Our young scientists are always thinking of new ways to reduce, reuse, and recycle. First up, check out Maria's amazing creation. It's a self-watering planter made from an old plastic bottle. She cut the bottle in half, put a string through the cap, and flip the top part upside down into the bottom part. The bottom holds the water, and the string acts like a straw, wicking water up to the soil as the plant needs it. This means the plant gets the perfect amount of water, and we save water too. Plus, it gives an old bottle a brand new purpose. It's a win-win for the planet and for our plants. Now, get ready for this next one. Omar was tired of seeing so many plastic bags wasted, so he invented something truly clever. He learned how to fuse plastic bags together, using an iron with his parents' help, of course. By layering the bags and carefully ironing them between parchment paper, he created a strong, durable and waterproof fabric. He's used this new material to make a cool pencil case and a reusable tote bag. It's a fantastic way to turn flimsy plastic trash into a useful treasure. These inventions aren't just fun projects. They show us that with a little imagination, we can find amazing solutions to everyday problems. They remind us that the things we might throw away can be the start of a brilliant new idea. What could you invent from your recycling bin? What an incredible journey we've had today! We've seen how a simple garden can become a place of discovery, where we can learn what plants need to grow and how important even the tiniest insects are. We've witnessed the amazing power of the sun and wind, harnessed by our young inventors to light up bulbs and cook delicious treats. And we've been wowed by their creative inventions, turning old bottles and plastic bags into useful new items. Our young scientists have shown us that science isn't just something you read about in books. It's something you can do. It's about being curious, asking questions, and not being afraid to try something new. They've taught us that everyone, no matter how young, has the power to make a positive change for our planet. Whether it's planting a seed, building a mini windmill, or inventing a new way to recycle, every small action adds up to a big difference. So, what are you curious about? What problems do you want to solve? Maybe you can start your own eco lab in your backyard, on your balcony, or even on your windowsill. The world is full of wonders waiting to be explored. Keep asking questions. Keep experimenting and never stop believing in your own power to create a better, greener future. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe, and keep exploring. Bye for now.